So today we're going to start this video in my room because I thought I'd do like a little intro to what I'm going to do today in the video. Essentially, someone's messaged me over Depop, which is like this resale app we use in the UK. I think it's international as well, to like sell your own clothes and whatever. And I do some sneaker resale on the side, and they've asked to buy these pair of shoes, the Nike Sacai Waffle. And I got these shoes back in 2018. And finally someone's decided to buy them. Yeah, I usually tend to hold on to stuff because the value goes up in time as the market kind of unsaturates itself. I don't know what the word is, what it's for. And apologies, I don't have like a chest mount or anything to record indoors, so I've had to put my helmet on. So my voice might be like a little muffled, or you can hear me breathing into the mic. But next time, I'll get a chest mount and I can do more recording indoors and it'll be clear. So anyway, back to the sneakers. So I'll just give a little preview to the sneakers, or just show you what the sneakers look like. So these released in 2018, limited numbers, and then they had Nike does this annual sneaker hunt where you basically go around London and just hunt for shoes in like a huge group of people. Obviously it probably won't be happening this year, but yeah, this is the shoe that they released on that day, or restocked on that day actually, and they're a really cool pair of shoes. So the idea is like Sacai took it and it doubled everything, so like double hook, double lace, double tongue, double sole, and yeah, they're pretty cute. It's for a girl, so they're UK 4.5 I think, and yeah, so I'm gonna deliver these up to Leytonstone and do like a cash in hand kind of transaction, which is always better than doing, you know, PayPal and postage and stuff like that, because you just get cash in hand is better. So yeah, put this back in the box and get ready to head off, and fingers crossed, because 2 days ago someone went missing in Leytonstone, and it's kind of sketchy, but I'm gonna go there and do business and drop this off. So wish me luck and let's get going. On our way, just very slowly. I knew this was gonna happen. This is what happens. Rush hour London, full of traffic, nowhere to go. Can I squeeze through here? Yes, I can. Okay. Alright, doing well. 9 miles in 58 minutes. This is what's gonna happen. Oh, nice, we're up here. So yeah, since I'm using like a different bag to pack all the shoes in, so I hope the microphone and bag turns out alright. If it doesn't, then just have to use the microphone from my helmet, but hopefully it's alright. And are you going first or am I going first? Pardon? Are you going first or am I going first? Which way are you going? Forward. Okay, well, deal done, job done, time to go home. I didn't film the actual part of me handing over the sneakers because I had to open up my bank account and stuff and check if the money was there, and she didn't want to have a face on the internet because I was right out their house. They live around that area, so I didn't want to include that in just because, you know, shit can happen if people find things they don't like on the internet and I get reported, then boom, not good. So yeah, anyway, deal's done. It's pretty simple, just give them the sneakers, they transfer you the money. Well, they check this if the sneakers are all good, up to scratch, and they're happy with it, and then once they're happy with it, transfer you the money, check the money's in your bank account, and then job done, mate. Time to go home.